For autumn rooms, I placed the return air diffuser. Please mention that the dimension of our diffuser is 24 by 24. It is good dimension. Let me check it. Wait a moment. Okay, this size is a little small for this room, so I remove it. I disconnect the flex duct before that, and I change the dimension to 24 by 24. And there's an error which belongs to constraints are not satisfied. It related to lock of the object. So I reconnect it again. As you can see it, for showing this, you can I use Control Z for showing the connection. So I right click on this and use flex duct and connect it exactly to the center of this circle. The top view is better for do this. Right click, hold flex duct, and so sometimes we have to go to the floor plan view and doing our commands. So I want to place it exactly on the ceiling, and so I move the supply a little to the right to place it correctly, exactly like this, to the tiles. So let me check the sizes again, because we calculate the sizes with the REVIT software, so we have to check it again. Okay, I use these settings, 75 Fahrenheit. Estimately, as for the return air, estimately 80%. Our CFM is estimately 100 CFMs. So I use 80 CFM for these settings. And I want to draw a duct, draw a diffuser exactly behind the duct. Okay. So we have 100 CFM here, 120 here, total 220 CFMs. And estimately 80% of this amount is about so I subtract the 20% of this amount, estimately 190, a little higher than that. Between 15 and 20 is good, and the value for return I think it's 0.8 is good. So I choose the higher size because I want to connect it to the main duct. Okay, 10 is, so I use 8, 6 by 6 is enough. So our job is a little hard here. So I drew a bottom of the duct. It is one method. So our hard duct is available here, so we can use it. So if you want to draw a round, you have to input the amount in equivalent diameter. Okay, estimately 6 is good for the round shaped duct. Okay, so 6 inches by 6 inches, 8 by 8 is a little high. So I extend it to the bottom. Bottom of the monitor. So I select the duct. I want to draw a round shape duct with same size, with this size 6 inches. Okay, I use the tab key on my keyboard. If it's not connected, so you can easily use space key on the keyboard. Inherit the size, inherit elevation, okay? So I place one diffuser here, and I go to the ceiling level, and it is better, can place here, place on face and create similar, and use the size for about 6, and I place it exactly here.